I'm Chris,
I'm Creston, and welcome to the Rubber Duck Dev
the
Show.
weekly live talk show all about development.
We'll be talking about different languages.
Ooh, like French and Spanish and Liechtensteinese and
No, computer languages like
uh,
Ruby and Python and JavaScript.
oh, I like those. Can we also talk about project management? I love project management.
Well, what do you want to talk about project management?
Oh, like, making sure communication is efficient, making sure the teams talk to each other right, making sure that information gets exchanged properly, and making sure that you don't step on other programmers' toes.
Or that no one deletes your branch that you've been working on.
Yeah,
Ugh,
that kind of sucks.
yeah. Well, we could also talk about databases.
Ooh, databases are fun. NoSQL, new SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL. There's a lot of QLs in there.
Yeah, I guess that's why they call it query language, is that you work with it.
Oh, well, let's also talk about servers. We could talk about Nginx, AWS, and security,
How
and what else?
Well, we could talk about infrastructure and how you can set it up so that it's highly available. We can also talk about different configuration management tools like Chef or Ansible or even Terraform.
Oh, I like those.
And we should round it out with probably some guest interviews with people who can talk about specific subjects.
That sounds fun because there's a lot of people a lot smarter than us.
That's true. All right, so each week we'll pick a topic and do a deep dive into it, and we'll explore all the different facts, trends, opinions, and questions about it.
But it's not just going to be us talking every week. We'll have live chat displays up so that you can interact with the show. You can ask us questions, make suggestions, offer your opinions, and argue with us to your heart's content.
So join us each week on YouTube or Twitch for the Rubber Duck Dev Show.
Wait, each week, each and every week?
That's what we said.
Oh, I better start writing some scripts.
Yep.